Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video is a speed cleaning motivation for you guys. This was actually supposed to have been up yesterday, but I have been having some problems with my editing program, and so I had to get my husband to fix it, but I lost the whole video. So it is 6:30 in the morning and I am re-editing and re-voicing over. Actually, I've been working on this since like 5 o'clock this morning. But it takes a while to edit and voice over. So, but I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. I hope you guys had so much fun. We went and bought some fireworks for the kids and playing with them. And we just had fun. I was so glad the kids were home for this 4th of July because the last couple of 4th of Julys, they've actually been in Ohio. So they were finally home for the 4th, and we just had a lot of fun with the kids. So, but now we're getting back to reality and everything that has been going on. My son decided to go get a job, so I took him to go job hunting last week, and he got a job. And then so the kids' dad he passed away a few years ago. He was in a really bad car accident that took his life. And the kids get survivor benefits. Well, our son is 18, and while he was in Ohio, we got a letter stating they were cutting his benefits unless we can prove that he was still in school. But with him being 18, they wouldn't talk to me. So we had to wait till he got back to get all of that done. So we were doing that yesterday, and that literally took all day. Got up early, took him up to the Social Security office, and had got the paperwork he needed. But then we had to go 2 towns over to the school board to get them to fill the paperwork out, proving that he is still in school and he graduates in 25. And then we've got a lot coming up with him being a senior this year. I have got to take him to get fitted for his cap and gown, and then he's got senior pictures coming up, and also he's in the process of getting his driver's license. So he has just been busy since he got home.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody.
This kitchen, when I first started it, I was like, oh my God, it was such a disaster. But in all reality, it was just a bunch of bags and trash sitting on the countertop. And things just needed to be put away. And the little basket with a lid, my mom gave that to me. And it's for your paper plates. So in Ohio, the Longenberger baskets is like a huge thing up north. And I am down south. So my mom gave me that basket. And then this other one that's like on that stand that thing is crazy, but that is actually holding tomatoes as like right now. I just been putting all my tomatoes in there. They sit there until they ripen and I get them ready for the freezer. But I have got so much stuff on the countertop, so many baskets, and I just don't know what to do with a lot of it. But this one with on the bar that has the lid is for paper plates. So that one is probably going to live on the counter for the rest of the summer. And that is another Longenberger basket, but I've actually had that for 16 years. That used to hold a lot of stuff for Stormy. It used to be in her room when she was a baby. Like it had a little plastic liner that had like little different sections, and it's what I used to keep like all of her baby Tylenol and stuff like that in. But it ended up got migrated to hold eggs, leftover like overflow eggs and everything. And also, I don't know if you guys would be interested in it, so I am asking. Please let me know down below if you guys are. But I have a bunch of canning I've got to get done. So if anyone is interested in learning how to do that, make homemade pickles, and they are the absolute best. I've got a bunch of cucumbers there, and I also got a few more I need to get from the garden. So if you guys are interested in that, and I also plan on making some more pepper jelly. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know down below, and I will film it, because I've got to get that done in the next day or two. And then I've also got some things I've got to get done in the garden. It is July, so it is time to pull out some stuff and start replanting certain things for my fall garden. And my garden, it will go on until like November. It don't really start getting too cold until like late November, early December. That's when it gets really cold. So that's when like my cool weather crops will finally die out. But I get a good growing season from like March to November. Well, between March and April, about the middle of March, beginning of April. So between there and November, I have got a really good growing window. So, and the garden is like in full swing right now. So, and we've had so many bees out there pollinating everything. But anyways, so if that is something you guys are interested in seeing, let me know down below and I will film that.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love Put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, got tons of cleaning motivation, and I hope y'all had a wonderful 4th of July. And I have so many ideas for the next several videos coming up, so I hope you guys enjoy the ones that are coming soon. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.